Well, it's a Saturday, which in my world means auto repair. Today, R51 Pathfinder. Well, I'll just show you. You've heard of blinker fluid? Well, this is fog light fluid. This bumper had a little extra pressure put on it. See, the fog light should look like that. That one works. That one doesn't. And it needs to. So I went to the parts store, which is our barn where the parts vehicle is. Got a spare. So we're gonna, swap it. Here we go. Job is significantly easier if you just, get the tire out of the way. We're gonna take these out, probably up to there. And if there's any under there, there's not. So we can get in behind this inner fence. So for me, it was 1, 2, 3, and there should be 4 or 5, but mine's so old that, we don't have to worry about that. And this is what we're in here for. We're gonna unplug this connector right here. To do that, you just pull out on this tab and slide it down. There you go. Put that out of the way. And then we need to get that housing out of there. Now, I'm not sure if I need to take everything out or just the lamp bulb itself. So for now, everything seems solid-ish in my case. So I'm gonna take out just this, and it looks like a Torx. I'm not sure what size. In my case, the T20 did the trick. I decided I'm gonna take the housing out. There's a 10mm bolt. You won't be able to see it, but you can feel it. And it's right where that ratchet is. A clip right there, and there should be a screw up top or a bolt. Mine was missing one, I presume, because of the pressure that caused this damage to begin with. We'll talk about that. So all the connectors are removed. Out comes the housing so we can look it over. Cracked right there. We'll see what the donor one looks like. Here's the donor. It looks, uncracked. So we're gonna use the whole housing and everything. The bulb looks to be intact, so this job should be done soon. We'll put it back together. There's the cavity this is supposed to go in. That goes there, that lines up there. Everything's good. Up top, there'll be a 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt over here once it's in place. This is just a pressure clip, and there's a tab right here that lines up with that channel. Two-handed job, so I'm gonna get to that. That's done. We got that 10mm tight. We got the one around here snugged up. That's lined up, tabs lined up. All that's left is our connector, and then we see if they work again. Both fog lights, same color, not brown and yellow and gross, with the appropriate level of blinker fluid in each one, which would be none. It's alive! That light on the right-hand side of the screen, it works better now. Mission accomplished. We'll butt it back up. Mine was all messed up when I came in here, but I'm gonna show you what these should probably look like. You see this little clippy thing right there? It slides on, and then this space here slides on over that, screw through everything. I'll show you. Like that. It's not how it was when I got in here, but that's how it is now. Down here, things are a mess. I'm gonna fix those while I'm in here too. Over here to this guy saves everything jars, and I got some body screws in there. There we go. That's in there now. That's why we save stuff. That one's still really frigged, but one is better than 0, and that's what it had when I discovered it. Put the jar away till next time. Side note, something my grandfather taught me. I just like license plates, but jars, lids, screws, you got it figured out, and you just keep the stuff you might want. Anybody know where to get license plates? I just like them. Anyway, I'll torque the wheels and call it done. Don't lose that thing on the end. That's the safety. Don't steal my wheels, frig it up, and have to cut them off with a torch tool. That thing right there. I hate these like nuts. Anybody really like them? Some people do. Let me know. Put that in the dirt. Increase likelihood that something strips. All done. Immediately put that back in my glove box, or I'll be on the side of the road cursing my past self someday. That's it for the fog lamp repair for our R51 Pathfinder. If it helped you, great. You can probably do it. If it didn't, I make you waste of time. Don't worry about it. But Teenage daughters tell me that if enough people hit the red button, that YouTube apparently pays you somehow with some sort of magic of the internet, and coffees can be bought. That's what I'm told. So if it helped and you care, hit that. And if you don't, well, I don't either. Have a good day.